Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to block someone in Plex. If you're looking for a way to block a friend on Plex account, then here is how you can do it. Open your Plex application and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the main homepage of your Plex account, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up the expanded menu. Tap on the Discover button on the left-hand side menu and tap on People at the bottom. Go ahead and search for a friend or simply select a friend from your friend list. Once you find the friend's profile, or the person's profile you'd like to block, simply tap on it. Now, tap the three dots at the top right-hand corner and you'll be able to see two options. You can either mute the person or simply block the person if you don't want to connect to them anymore. Tap on the block button at the bottom and click on block in the pop-up to block the certain someone. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to block the person or block someone in Plex. So that was quite easy, wasn't it? That is how you can easily block someone in Plex accounts. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.